Once upon a time in a world quite like our own, there was a magical creature called artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI wasn't a single being, but a magical force that lived inside the machines that humans built. It helped them do all sorts of things more efficiently and quickly, like make predictions about the weather, play games, and even chat like a human. One day, AI began to spread its magic all across the kingdom of healthcare. Doctors and nurses used AI's powers to look inside people's bodies without opening them up with something called X-rays and MRIs. AI even helped spot diseases early by detecting patterns that were hard for humans to see. But AI's magic didn't stop there. It found its way into the bustling world of transportation, too. In this world, AI turned ordinary carriages into self-driving vehicles that could navigate roads on their own. No more getting stuck in long lines of traffic or having to find a place to park. AI wanted everyone to get where they needed to go safely and swiftly. In the land of customer service, AI became a helper known as chatbots. They popped up to answer questions day and night, helping people find what they needed in shops and solving problems faster than anyone thought possible. As time went on, people in the kingdom realized AI was changing their lives. Some were thrilled because AI was taking over tedious tasks that no one wanted to do. But others were worried, wondering, will AI take away our jobs? And how will our lives change? Indeed, the kingdom began to see pros and cons with AI's influence. On the plus side, AI made things run more smoothly and made life easier for many. But on the downside, people realized they needed to learn new skills to work alongside AI or in fields AI hadn't yet touched. Questions arose. Could AI enhance human abilities rather than replace them? Might AI, with its vast knowledge and capabilities, help invent new opportunities and jobs, just as it had solved many problems? The people of this kingdom were at a crossroads. How will they adapt to a world where AI is part of daily life? Always curious and hopeful, they embarked on a journey to find out, knowing that with every great challenge comes an even greater adventure. And so, the story of AI's magic in the human world had just begun.